Titan Rain, the 2005 cyber attacks on the U.S. Department of Defense. In 2005, a series of cyber attacks known as Titan Rain were carried out against the United States Department of Defense, DoD, and various defense contractors. The attacks, which are believed to have been carried out by Chinese hackers, targeted several key organizations within the DoD. Including the Army Information Systems Engineering Command, the Defense Information Systems Agency, the Naval Ocean Systems Center, and the U.S. Army Space and Strategic Defense Installation. The Titan Rain attacks were highly sophisticated and utilized a range of tactics to gain access to the targeted networks. The hackers exploited vulnerabilities in the systems, using them to install malware and other malicious software that gave them access to the networks. They also used social engineering tactics such as phishing and pretexting to trick employees into divulging login credentials or installing malware on their systems. Once they had gained access to the networks, the hackers were able to exfiltrate sensitive information, including classified documents and data about military technologies. The full extent of the data that was stolen in the attacks is not known, but it is believed to be significant. In order to evade detection, the hackers used a number of techniques to cover their tracks and make it difficult to trace their activities. They used encrypted communication channels to communicate with the command and control servers that they used to coordinate the attacks, and they frequently changed their IP addresses to make it harder to track their movements. The Titan Rain attacks were a major concern for the U.S. government and military, as they demonstrated the vulnerabilities of their computer systems and the potential for foreign powers to access sensitive information. In response to the attacks, the U.S. government implemented measures to improve the security of its computer systems and protect against future attacks. These measures included the use of stronger cybersecurity protocols, the deployment of advanced technologies to detect and prevent cyber threats, and the training of personnel to recognize and mitigate the risk of cyber attacks. Despite these efforts, the U.S. government and military have continued to be targeted by cyber attacks in the years since the Titan Rain incident. Cybersecurity remains a major concern for the U.S. government and military, as they seek to protect sensitive information from being accessed by foreign powers or other malicious actors.